What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? A quick video. If you get your laptop wet, okay, remember, this is how you fix the damage, okay? I left this one outside, okay? So what you're gonna do first is, everybody knows this trick. You're gonna put rice all over it, okay? Get the rice on the keypad. Let it sit, all right? I recommend you buy this stuff right here. This is the best kind, all right? And what you want to do is you want to give that a few hours, and then you just want to do this right really quick. This is what you do when you, this is how to repair one that gets wet. And that's how you repair a laptop that gets wet. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, where are you, kid?
Yeah, Sonny.
Yo, Sonny! There he is! Get it, Sonny. Good boy, Sonny. Yeah, we'll catch him on the next one, right, Sonny?